You need to scan your network at regular intervals to detect new and unknown vulnerabilities that could expose you to threats from malicious sources. To do this, you must first install a scanner. Under the Manage menu on the Network Scanning page, click the Add button next to the first option under the Install Scanners section to add one. You will first need to give the scanner a name. We'll name ours Scanner, but you can choose any name you want. You can always change it later. Click Save and Next to continue. The next screen is where you can choose the scanner you want to install. The first option is the basic scanner that runs through a VMware player on a Windows machine. If you have an ESX server, you can choose the second option and install the VMware workstation there. These are the same scanners, just running in different environments. If you choose either of the first two options, before you download and install the file, be sure to read the instructions in the PDF here first. You'll find the required registration codes at the bottom of the screen that you'll need during the installation process. Also, be aware that the file is over 1 GB and will take between 30 minutes and 2 to 3 hours to download, depending on your network connection. If you already have a contract with Tenable or Rapid7, you can download our Scanner Connect tool here for their Nessus and Nexpose scanners respectively. Simply download and run the file and supply your login credentials. You'll also need the registration codes at the bottom of the screen for this setup. Once you've installed and set up your scanner of choice, you can click Close. You should now see the scanner in the Scanners table. You also have another third-party option if you have a contract with Qualys. Under the section for third-party network scanning, click the Add button. Give the scanner a name and supply your credentials. Then click Save and Close.